Remote work has always been a big part of College Hill's culture. The pandemic forced us to move completely remote for some time. Many of us never returned to the office, but some of us feel more connected than ever. The positives are we had to improve our technology, improve our communications. We formed a virtual water cooler that we are able to connect with each other throughout the day. We do a lot of meetings through different video platforms. Our all-staff meeting tomorrow is through a virtual platform, and we're able to connect with people that are in different states, which is really fun. Actually, tomorrow we're sending Lego kits out to everybody, and the theme for our all-staff meeting is space. So we're putting together spaceships, which is really, really fun to see your friends and coworkers from other states and do an activity like that. Last holiday season, we were able to send meal kits of everybody's favorite meals to them to make it home and enjoy those with some wine, virtually, of course. And many of us are not returning to the office ever. The flexibility is great for some people, and it really, really works. Another way that we're staying connected with each other and something that we offer our clients is through kitting. And when I say kitting, we're putting together kits with branded merchandise for our clients to send to their employees and to their customers all around the world. It allows them to stay connected to the brand. Some of the work from home kits could be a wellness kit, maybe includes a yoga mat or a water bottle or some fitness equipment. But everybody loves to get something at open mail. So that's something that we've done differently over the pandemic and something that we'll continue to do moving forward.